Hello students, very good morning to all of you. I am Deepak Kumar Christy from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Navada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School, Navada. Students, today I am going to discuss the second video lecture of class 9 of the chapter 2 of unit 2 also. That is our self-confidence building tips. That means some of the tips today we will discuss. For that we can easily create, generate or build the confidence in ourselves. Is that clear or not? In themselves, in yourself, how to build. That means we will discuss one by one tips. In the first video class we have already discussed that what do you mean by self-confidence? Yes or no, students? Then we have already discussed what are the factors of building a self-confidence. Today class we will discuss the tips. For that we follow some of the tips. For that we can easily develop or build our self-confidence. So student, the first one is here what? Self-acceptance. You know very well what do you mean by acceptance? Yes or no? And self, by yourself, खुद. And accept means ग्रहण करना. Is that clear or not? The self-acceptance. That means, students, in the world, no one has fully correct. No one has fully wrong also. Yes or no? That means, sometimes we are done mistake and we are also sometimes we are right also. Yes or no, student? If you are doing some mistake, try to accept that one in front of the others. Yes or no? First of all, you have to accept in yourself. That is in yourself. If you have done mistake, if you know that this is the mistake, then you have to accept first. If you will be accepted by yourself, then you can easily accept in front of the others. If you will not accept in yourself, by yourself, then you will never be accepted in front of the others. Then what will happen? You can easily lose your confidence. Once you accept by yourself, that means you see, one day will come, you must have generate or increase your self-confidence in yourself. Is that clear, students? So students, suppose some of the students have edited in the result sheet and they have shown in front of the parents. Is that clear or not? The parents are asking that, have you edited this one? That students are telling what? No, no Papa, I have not done this type of thing. That means he is never accepted to himself. If he will not accept, then what will happen? He will lose his confidence. Yes or no? If he will lose the confidence, the one day will come. What you have told the lie, it will be must catch by the others. So it will the problem in the future also. So student, that's why in the suggestion from my point of view, try to accept what you have done the mistake. If you are mistake, then do accept first of all by yourself, then in front of the others. Okay? If once you accept, yes, this is my mistake, you see, it will totally in your head, in yourself, totally free. Yes or no, students? Your mental free. Is that clear? If it will be mental free, then your confidence will be increased day to day. Is that clear? Then students, the next tips. Focus on what you have achieved. Focus on what you have achieved. Students, in the world, all the people, some or very few things they are achieving. Just like the students, some of the students are achieving in case of the study case, in case of the dancing or any of the cultural events, game also, and in your family member also you are achieving. You don't be thinking achieving means only get the prize. Okay students, if anyone will be happy with you, if that people are saying that you are very good, your behavior is very good, your nature is very good, that is also achieved for us. Is that clear or not? That means if so many people are saying like this, that boy, that girl are very good, that means you are achieving. If that type of people are saying this type of things, then what will happen? You will be what? Self-confidence, or increase your self-confidence in yourself. You see that one? Whatever am I saying true or false? Yes or no students? The students, that's why I have told you, achieve. Okay students, in the school career you are achieving, in the job career you are achieving. Yes or no students? Or in the future also you will be achieving also. Okay, one day will must come, one of the things you must be achieved. Is that clear to the students? The students, what you get from the others, okay students, you have focused that. That's why focus on what you have achieved. That means focus. For example students, suppose you have gotten the good score in the previous class. Now you are studying in the class 9. Some of the students are studying class 10. That means those are got the good score in the previous class, you focus that. Okay? If you have got the good score, you focus that how I have got the good score. How much time you have spent for your studying. You think that one, you focus that one. For that, it will be good affected on your current study hour. Is that clear or not? If you are getting good score, that is also achievement. Okay? That means if you are studying class 8 for a day, you are studying 3 to 4 hours and you are getting 85 to 90%, and in the class 9 you just increase because you think that I have read 4 hours per day, I have got this type of score. If I will study 6 hours per day, then how much I will get the score? Yes or no student? That is your focus. If we do this type of the thing, then what will happen? You automatically build or generate or create the self-confidence or increase your self-confidence in yourself gradually. Is that clear to all students? Then students, next one, make personal changes and stay happy with small things. That means make personal changes. Try to some changes in yourself. Because don't think that you are 100% perfect man. You are 100% good student. Don't be thinking that one. Each and everybody has some of the bad thing. Yes or no students? If you know that type of thinking is the bad, you have to accept first that one. Yes or no students? And if you are accepting, then try to changes yourself that one. After that, stay happy with small things. Stay happy with small things. If any of these small gift you are getting, try to happy. Okay student? Don't be sad. Don't be thinking this type of thing, what that student is getting the high price or higher cost of the price and I am getting lower price of the price. Don't type of thinking or don't think this type of the things. Is that clear or not student? So students, that's why first of all you change yourself. If any type of the bad thing in yourself, okay students, try to change. That means first of all you have to accept. That means if the teacher are coming, they are studying to you. Some teachers are liking some of the students due to good knowledge, good behavior, due to good nature, and other part of the students they are feeling very jealous. Why? Because they are thinking teachers are not liking us. Then why will we listen or learn anything from that teachers? So that is a bad thing. Yes or no? That means you are mistake. So you accept that one, try to changes that one. Okay, students. Then if after changing that one, if any type of the gift or any type of the surprise will be getting by yourself, okay student, be happy for that. Is that clear? If your parents or teachers or elders they are giving to you one big chocolate or shabash, good, very nice, तथास्तु, खुश रहो, this type of the thing if they are giving, try to be happy that one. Is that clear? So don't be shedding why they are telling to me always खुश रहो, or they are that same person giving the some of the prize, means high cost price of the prize giving to others. Don't type of the thinking, don't do. Is that clear, students? Is that clear? So that's why make personal changes. Always try to, if you are pointing out by yourself, I have done the mistake. So be students, be careful for that one and try to changes. Is that clear? Then stay happy with small things. Any type of the gift or any type of the good voice, they are what type of the people are saying by the good way, try to be happy on that. Is that clear? If you do this type of the thing, your self-confidence will be increased. Is that clear to our students? Then student, next one, chatting with positive people. Chatting means communicate with positive people. In our social or in our society, all peoples are not positive. Some of the peoples are positive and some of the peoples are negative. That means those peoples are not thinking good for us. Those peoples are not good behavior, not good culture. Yes, they are not supporting to us. Try to avoid that one. Okay? And those people are thinking the positive against you, they are supporting with you, and they are good behavior, then try to talk with that people, because they will give us a good suggestion what type of work we'll do in the future. I am giving one type of the example for this point, students. Students, now you are studying class 9. After that class 10, after that you will be studied in the class 12. In the class 12, the line will be changes. That means science, commerce, arts, integrated MBA, integrated MCA, integrated law. That means so many areas what you want to study. Or game also. Is that clear to the student? The students, you in that situation, in that time, you need the help from the elders. That means those elders are thinking positively against you. They are supporting, they are good behavior, good knowledge. Okay, student, take the advice from that type of people, from that type of elders, because they can give the good suggest to us what type of work we will do in the future after 2 years. Is that clear to our students? So that's why I am telling chatting with positive people. If you are mixed with the good people, then your mind also will be good. That means your confidence will be increased. Otherwise, your confidence will be decreased. Yes or no, student? If you are mixing with the bad people, those people are taking smoke or any of the bad habit. If you are mixing with that type of people, then what will happen? One day will come, you are also doing same thing what the bad people are doing. That means it will be decrease our self-confidence. If our self-confidence will be decreased, then not a single work can be done by ourselves. Is that clear, my student? So students, that's why I am telling you, okay, try to do the best, try to talk with the very good people. Those are giving us very good advice. Is that clear? Then student, next one, reward and support. Students, don't be expect from the others for reward. If you are a good, ultimately the people will give the reward. But you don't be expect from the others. I have done good, so I will find any type of the gift or reward. Don't type of the thinking this type. Is that clear, student? That's why reward means try to, now you are satisfied. Now you are satisfied what you have got the score in class 10 or class 12 board result. Is that clear? If you are satisfied, then you can entertain by yourself. Is that clear? So don't be expect from the others. I have done the very good result. They will give something. Okay, students. So don't be thinking this type of. If you will think, then it will be negative. If you will be what? Rewarding by yourself. If you are celebrating by yourself, that is also reward. If you are celebrating by yourself, if you are getting good score, if you are distributing the sweets to the others, that is also reward by yourself. You see, if you are giving the food to the others and they are happy with you, then they will give the place to you. That means in this way, our self-confidence also will be increased gradually. Is that clear, student? That's why reward and support by yourself also. Try to do support. Don't be support. First of all, support yourself, then support to others. Those have needed the support. Because all the people, they don't take any type of the interest for the supporting from the others, and some of the people have interested to take the support. You only give the support to that type of people. Is that clear, students? Okay. The next one is the student set some goals and look for opportunities. The student to build a self-confidence. This point is also very important. Very important. That means set some goals. Each and every student have goal. That means now you are all studying in class 9. And all the students have the goals. If you have not goal, try to make the goals from today onwards. Is that clear? That means those are good students. They have already thought that, but I will be a IPS, doctor, engineer, IAS, collector, lawyer, teacher, professor, or different backgrounds are there. So set two goals by yourself first. If you have goal this type of thing, or business also one type of the goal. Yes or no, students? If you have goal, then try to do or try to study in that line also. Okay, students, that's why set some goals. Without the goals, our future is totally blind. Okay, if you want your future will be bright, first of all, think about your goals. First of all, set your goals, then think that goals. For my goals, what type of studying or in which way I will be studying, what type of material we need, where we go, whether that type of studying is available in our state or not. Otherwise, go to the outside of the state or outside of the country. So first of all, you set the goals. If you want to be a good doctor, that means try to study or focus on your science subject. Yes or no, students? In your school hour, you have to prepare all the subjects. Try to good result. But in class 11, 12, only focus on your biology subject. Be a doctor, focus also physics, chemistry. After clear all these things, means NEET exam. So that is your goal. Be a doctor, you have to qualify, means good score in the NEET exam. If you are good qualified, then what will happen? The good medical college you can easily get. Otherwise, you will be suffer. Is that clear on the student? That's why I am telling, set your goals first. Then look for opportunity. If your goals are fixed and according to the goals you are studying, that means you are preparing very hardly, then one day will come. That means the opportunity will must come and you have to accept that. So many opportunities will come and you cannot decide which type of the opportunity is good for us. You can decide. In that case, you can take the help from the elders. That means those are the good people. Is that clear or not, students? Is that clear or not? That's why students set the goals. This one, if you are set the goals, according to the goals, you are studying very level work, very working hard. That means ultimately your confidence will be increased in yourself, no doubt. Is that clear? Okay, students. Next one is your think positively. Think positively. Students, in our mind, sometimes we are thinking negative, sometimes we are thinking positive. If we are thinking negative, then we will be negative. That means our work also will be negative. If we know that work, still that work also cannot be done by us because our thinking is negative. If your thinking is positive, then any large type of the work, any difficult work, you can be done, no doubt. Okay, students? Because if you are thinking positive, your confidence will be increased. If your confidence will be increased, that means if your self-confidence also will be built. If your self-confidence, once it will be developed, built, so no one can be back to you. You are always go ahead. That means your dream always be top, not the bottom. Yes or no, students? That's why think positive. This one is also very important for the building a self-confidence. Yes or no, students? Always be think positive. If you will not do work till you say, I will try my level best. Don't say, I can't do. I don't know. Don't say, not what. In case of the think positive, don't say no. Okay, student? Don't say no. That no word is very harmful to our life. Yes or no, students? If you are doing the job or if you will do the job, your seniors will give so many work. That means they will take the test. How much patience in himself or herself. Okay, students. So don't say no. Try to yourself. You say, I will try. If I will face some problem, please go. This type of thing, this type of talking, you can do. But don't say directly no. No means negative. That one is your negative thinking. If that type of negative thinking will be happen, then you will face the problem in your future. Is that clear? Is that clear? So student, that's why my points of view always be thinking positive. If you are studying in class 9, think from now onwards, I must get the score above 95%, above 99%. Those are the roll number 1, 2, 3 of class 9. Try to think that positive thinking. I must get the score above 99. Those are the roll number 10, 11, 12. I must get the above 95%. This type of the positive thinking will be created in yourself. Then you must get the score and gradually it will be increased self-confidence. Once you get the score, that type of score marks, then you see confidence will be ultimately increased in yourself. Himself, themselves. Is that clear? Is that clear, students? Last one, stay healthy, hygienic, and smart. This is also very important. Stay healthy, be smart. That means what you are wearing a dress that should be clean, that should be fully ironed. Yes, or no, students? Your look should be smart. Hair cutting, your hairstyle, your face look, your shirt. Okay, student? Be formal, be perfect. That means any outside of the person tell that person is very nice, looking so smart, be healthy person. That means it is also helps to build the self-confidence. Those are looking smart, beautiful, healthy or hygienic. You see your seniors, manager and any of people are happy always with you. Yes or no, students? That means that type of the people are firstly getting the job. They will get the job first. Those are looking very smart, healthy. They are seeing this type of thing. Yes or no, student? Nowadays, in the business, all the business oriented purpose, all the business people, those peoples are taking the for the employee. Yes or no? Are keeping the employee. They are first of all seeing whose persons are intelligent and looking smart, healthy. Yes or no? That means all type of the work. That means if outside the people will come to your office, they will be happy. Once they will see, once they will communicate with you, once they see you, they will be happy. Yes or no, student? All the companies, they are seeing, they are wanting this type of the people for the employee or worker. Is that clear, student? So if we are healthy, if we are hygienic, and if we are smart, then no doubt our confidence will be increased gradually. How? Because other people, they will tell that boy is very smart boy, laughing boy. The boy always be laughing. Yes or no, students? They are always happy. You see, if you are listening from the others, this type of the comments and compliments, how much happy with you, how much be happy in yourself. You see that one. If I will say you, all the students are very nice. Roll number 1 is a very nice student. No one can compare with that. If that student will listen my tone, my voice, how much happy will that student cannot imagine. Is that clear, students? So that's why students stay healthy. That means how to be a healthy. Give or take a food in a time. I'm not telling always taking, try to take always fruits. I'm not telling this type of thing. But what type of the food you are taking, always be on time. Okay? Then your dress, your costume should be good. Your dress should be neat and clean. Is that clear? And be smart. Your hairstyle should be good. Okay, students, try to do this type of the best, then you can be very good person and your confidence will be increased in yourself, herself, themselves as well. Is that clear? The student, in this way we have discussed some of the tips of the building self-confidence. Is that clear? So students, we have completed the second chapter of the unit 2. So you watch this video thoroughly, then try to do the exercise question. If you have doubt, then ask me. Don't be any type of hesitation. Okay, student. In the next class, we discuss the chapter 3 of the unit 2. Okay, students. So students, see carefully, listen carefully, thoroughly, and do the prayer also, students. Okay. Now I have completed. Thank you. Bye bye.